Hello, I am Francine's granddaughter. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to animate on Google Slides. So, for a lot of websites, it is a monthly payment, and this thing is not a monthly payment. It's free, so I'll teach you how to get it. First, with your web browser, you will need a Google web browser for this. So get your web browser and search up animaker.com. Once you've searched it, click the first one. Then there's a page looking like this. It is a great thing for animating on Google Slides. It's just like if you don't have Bitmoji, it's another thing you can animate with it. So just click create your first video. Then you should log in with your Google account. I already logged in, so it didn't say log in with my Google account already because I already logged in. You can make characters as well. This is just a notification about it. So what I usually do if you want to create a character is you click create and then click create a character. Then it should take you to this character builder. There's both the girl or the boy. You can upgrade to get these, but if you don't want to, you could just get one of these. I'm gonna do a guy. It will give you a face to start off with, and you could customize it from there. So I have the character. Let's say I would like this character. You could customize the character, or you could just save the character if you like the way it already is. Now, it will tell you your character has been saved. So you can click dashboard or create a new character. Now, since you have your character, if you're using Google Slides or PowerPoint slides, then go to presentation slide. There's a bunch of templates, and you could use the templates, but for now, I'm just going to do a blank one. Then it should load for a bit. And these templates are still here in this icon if you change your mind and you want to use a template. Well, now it's your characters. It's gonna put some random characters right here, but with the character you just made, click this. And this is my character, but this is the character I just made. Now there's a bunch of animations you could use with the characters. They're so useful. Like this one, for instance. Now you can just move this character however you like. It's a great character. that you can use, and there's a lot of stuff you could do with it. There's also, if you click this icon with the little T that says properties, it gives you like stuff to use in the background. And to save it, you could like take a screenshot of it with your computer, or you can share it or just save it like the slides. Now this is how you use the templates. It's cool to use these templates because they are really helpful and really good. Well, I hope you liked this video. Sorry, it's short. Bye.